Welcome. My name is Maria Vargas. I will be your trainer. I will introduce some basic skills to use Google Slides. Topics being reviewed is create a Google Slide presentation, name your slide presentation and save it onto the Google Drive, format and select a theme for our presentation, and add a new slide and duplicate a slide. Insert a picture and a picture from your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and go directly to my Google Drive, which is provided through the school district. On the upper left corner, I will be able to select the new button and scroll down to Google Slides. Automatically, a presentation appears, and on the upper left corner, you're able to see where it says Untitled Presentation. We're going to go ahead and name this Sample Presentation. I want to go ahead and make sure that it is within our Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and select the little star, and this becomes available, the little folder. Select it. On the upper left corner of the dialog box that becomes available, you're going to go ahead and click once, and then you'll be able to see my Google Drive. I had already previously created a folder, so in order to create this folder, all you need to do is click on the little plus sign. So I'm going to go back to it, and I can see my sample presentation within that folder. On the right side corner, we're going to go directly to select our theme. So I'm going to go and select my pop theme. My first slide will be titled Google Slide. I now want to go ahead and add a new slide. So on the upper right left corner on the ribbon, you're going to be able to select New Slide, the little plus sign. Select it, and we're going to go ahead and title this as Part 1 of presentation. Okay, so we've went ahead and we titled it, and now I want to go ahead and duplicate my slide. So I'm going to go to the navigation pane, and on the left side corner, right click my mouse and go down to duplicate. I'm going to go ahead and now name part 2 to change that of my presentation. And I'm going to go ahead and insert an image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on insert image, upload from my computer, and select the image that I had already previously selected. And I'm going to go ahead and make that adjustment. I'm going to go back up here to the second slide, and I'm going to go ahead and select my text and go ahead and change the font style and the size within my ribbon. So I'm going to go ahead and change it a little larger to a size 30. The color will be red, and I'm going to take away the highlighter option. Okay, so I reviewed how to save your document or your presentation, how to title the slide, change the font styles, insert an image, and also change the theme. Okay, thank you so much for taking the time to review my Google Slides video, and have a great day.